Hey, how you guys doing? My name's Gabriel and I'm a software engineer and consultant. I got my first introduction to technology back when I was in high school, and it was through two elective courses I took. One was an intro to programming class where I built basic programs with Visual Basic, and the other was a computer engineering course where I learned the different components about a computer and I was able to build one from scratch. Taking those courses really piqued my interest in the field, but I still wasn't sure if that was something I wanted to pursue. After graduating high school, I attended the University of North Carolina, Greensboro. And it was during my sophomore year that I actually decided I wanted to pursue a career in technology. And then I decided to major in information systems management. At UNCG, the degree taught me the basics of database management, programming, networking, data analytics, and business principles. During my college years, I held two internships. One was at AT&T in Durham, where I learned how it was to work in a corporate environment, and it was more of a help desk role. The other was at the Global Opportunity Center, where I consulted with many small to medium sized businesses to help solve their problems through technology. And most of the time, that involved creating or optimizing websites and automating processes. Nowadays, a typical day for me on the job would involves getting to the office, answering emails, and then depending on my schedule for the day, I may have one to several meetings with clients, stakeholders, and other engineers. And these meetings would involve determining what the best course of action would be to improve the applications that we're working on or plan for any changes ahead. After the meetings, I would sit down and write code to implement those changes that were discussed, do some more research, or, just sit down with other engineers and think about new ways to move forward. I would really encourage high school students who would like to get into the technology field to do a lot of research on all the different paths it has to offer. You can either be a software engineer or developer like I am, a UX UI designer, a network engineer, a database engineer, a tech writer, a systems architect, a data analyst, a security engineer, and the list goes on. I would use the internet productively. I would use all the free resources available. You'll be amazed at how many free resources are really helpful and can really teach you all the aspects of all these different fields. A website that I would recommend is Udemy. They have hundreds, probably thousands of courses, great courses up there, um, taught by industry leaders, and you can really get a good amount for the money you pay. Very low, between $10 and $20. So that's definitely a resource I would recommend. But overall, you have to be motivated and work hard for what you want in life. If you put in the work, you'll definitely achieve the results. And just remember, a few hours of learning each week can go a long way. Thank you.